Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune Loganberries. Loganberries are so sweet and so delicious with pie or with ice cream, and I just love them. And they grow just like any other berries. And when you're actually pruning berries, there's a few rules that you should follow, so let's go over them. So the goal with berries is to get a lot of growth. And so when you're pruning them back, you should let them come up and grow and then take two main starts and put them up onto a wire or a fence in any way. And then when you're trimming back the different growth, you should cut them in an odd, even kind of arrangements. So you leave one a little bit longer, one a little bit shorter, one longer, one shorter, one longer, one shorter. And you never want to trim out more than 1/3 at one time. And the little suckers on the bottom too, it always helps to cut those out because then more energy will come to the top and you'll get lots more fruit. A lot of berries are grown in a two-tier system as well. You can do a one-tier or a two-tier. It's up to you. If you want a lot of fruit or if it's more established, you can always add another tier later as they grow taller. So when there's a two-tier system, you just let the main branch grow tall and then you thin it out by taking two main stems and tying them onto the wire or rope or anything that you want. And then any branches that come off the top, you want to trim them down. And again, you never want to trim more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. And you want to prune when they're not growing and not producing fruit. So the best time to prune is in the fall or the middle of winter when they're not growing too much. And then that way, the next year they'll grow very full and it'll force the plant to give you even more berries and you'll have a more successful season the next year. So by taking the time to prune back your Loganberries every fall, you'll find that you'll get so many berries the next summer that you can enjoy and you can freeze them or use them fresh right out of the garden.